Linking your bank account to Chime is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer funds easily. Follow these steps to connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Chime account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account first. Step 3. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, find the settings menu. This is usually represented by a icon or labeled as settings at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Select Link Bank Account. In the settings menu, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or Add External Account. Tap on it to proceed with linking your bank. Step 5. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your bank's routing number and your account number. Review the information for accuracy and confirm the link. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Chime, allowing you to manage your finances more effectively.